Hi, dear students. Hope you are all fine in this hard situation. This is an additional mathematics sheet. In this sheet, we are going to solve exercises related to the lessons that we finished till now. In question number 1, we are going to calculate different powers. 2 cube is written as a repeated multiplication sentence, so it's written 2 times 2 times 2, and you know the answer is 8. 9 squared, we should write it 9 times 9, and the answer is 81. 3 to the power 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, the answer is 81. 10 to the power 5 is a power of 10, so from the base we take the 1 and we add 5 zeros as the exponent. Also 10 to the power 7, we take 1 from the base and we add 7 zeros as the exponent. 10 to the power 0, we take 1 and we add no 0, and any number to the exponent 0 gives me 1. 529 to the power 1 gives me the number itself, 529. 0 to the power 914 is 0. 1 to the exponent 1528 is 1. 839 to the power 0, any number to the power 0 gives me 1. 0 to any exponent gives me 0. Any number to the exponent 1 gives me the number itself. 1 to any exponent gives me 1. Also any number to the power 0 gives me 1. Now we have 2 squared, all of it cubed. Here we have power of power. If we have power of power, we should calculate 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer here is 2 to the power 6. Now 12 to the power 569 to the power 0. First we have a power of power. We should multiply the two exponents. So here the answer is 12 to the power 0. And any number to the power 0 always gives me 1. Also here we have a power of power. 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer here is 10 to the exponent or to the power 9. Here we have multiplication of same base, different exponents. The rule here says we keep the base as it is and we add both exponents. So 3 plus 5 gives me 8. So we add the exponents. Also the base is 5 and we add the exponents. 2 plus 4 is 6. Any number without an exponent, it should be 1. So the base is kept 3 and we add 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3 cubed. 2 times 3, all of it squared. Now we multiply 2 times 3, the answer is 6. All of it squared. Now we have different bases, same exponents. So we multiply the bases. 5 times 4 is 20. And we keep the exponent as it is. Also 5 times 2 is 10 and we keep the exponent 2. Now 3 times 5 is 15, so we multiply the numbers and we keep the exponent. Now 5 over 3, all of it cubed. Here the exponent is for both. It's for the numerator and also it is for the denominator. Now 2 cube, all of it squared. Here we have first power of power, so we multiply. 3 times 2 is 6, so 2 to the power 6. And 5 takes the exponent, which is 2. In question number 2, we should write the following as a power of 10. So whenever we are given this number, we count the number of zeros near the 1 because we should write a power of 10. So always my base should be 10 and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So it's 10 to the power 6. 100 also should have a base 10 and exponent 2 because we have 2 zeros. 1 billion, we know that the 1 billion has 9 zeros. So it is 10 to the power 9. 10 is 10 to the power 1. Why to the power 1? Because here we have 1 0. 1 is 10 to the power 0. Why? Because near the 1 here we have no zeros. Now 10,000 is 10, base 10 and exponent 4 because we have 4 zeros. Here we have a power of power, so now the answer here is 10 and 2 times 2 is 4. Also here we have a power of power, so it is 10 to the power 12 times 0 is 0. Here we have multiplication of same base different exponents, so the base is kept 10 and we add exponents. 3 plus 4 is 7. Here 10 has no exponents, so it is 1 also, because we have same base different exponents. We keep the base and we add the exponents. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now in question number 3 we should perform the following using the PEMDAS. Here the PEMDAS means we should apply the order of operations, parentheses, exponent, multiply and divide, add and subtract from left. In this expression we have exponent, which is the strongest, so we should write 13 minus, and 2 squared, its answer is 9, because 3 squared, the answer is 9 because it's 3 times 3. Now 13 minus 9 is 4. Now also here we have the exponent. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which gives me the answer, which is 25. 25 minus 19, and the answer is 6. Now 4 squared plus 3 cubed. Here we should calculate 4 squared, its answer, and 3 cubed, its answer. 4 squared, the answer is 16, plus 3 cubed, the answer is 27, equals, if we add here, we get 43. Now 10 to the power 0, its answer, 2 to the power 4. 10 to the power 0 is 1, plus 2 to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16, minus 5. Now 1 plus 16, we start from left because we have addition and subtraction. 1 plus 16 is 17, minus 5. So now it's simple, my answer is 12. Here we have exponent and parenthesis. Parenthesis is the strongest, so we should get the answer of the parenthesis first. We write 10 squared minus 9 times 8 is 72. So now 10 squared, its answer is 100. So we get the answer of 10 squared, and we subtract 72 and we get the answer, which is 28. Also, we continue applying the PEMDAS. Here we have multiplication, exponent, subtraction, exponent. Because exponent is the strongest, so we start with the exponent. So we write 2 times. The answer of 3 squared is 9, minus the answer of 4 squared is 16. Now we have multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication is the strongest, so 2 times 9 is 18, minus 16, and we get the answer, which is 2. Also here we have exponent, multiplication, addition, exponent. Exponent is the strongest. 5 squared, the answer is 25 times 4, plus 3 cubed is 27 times 10. Now here we have multiplication and addition. Multiplication will be the strongest, so 25 times 4 is 100, plus 27 times 10 is 270. Now we add and we get 370. Also here we have parentheses, addition, exponent. Parentheses is the strongest. Inside the parentheses we have exponent and subtraction, so we start with the exponent first. 3 squared, its answer is 9, minus 5, plus 2 cubed. Sorry, it's 2 cubed. So also parentheses is the strongest. 9 minus 5 is 4, plus 2 cubed. Now we should get the answer of 2 cubed, so it's 4 plus the answer of 2 cubed is 8. Now 4 plus 8 is 12. So it's simple. Now we have exponent, subtraction, parentheses, also exponent. Parentheses is the strongest, so we write 6 squared minus 2 times 3 is 6, So we get the answer of the parentheses and we write 10 to the power 0. Now exponent is the strongest, so we get the answer of the exponents. 6 squared is 36 minus 6 plus, and 10 to the power 0 is 1. Now we have addition and subtraction. We start from left. 36 minus 6 is 30 plus 1, and my answer will be 31. I'm gonna solve this one because it's different. Here we don't have parentheses. Here we have a power of power, so we should get the answer of the power of power. It is 2 to the power 4. We multiply the exponents plus 3 cube minus 5 times 4. Now the strongest is the exponent, so we get the answer of the exponents. 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 3 cube, 3 cube, its answer is 27 minus 5 times 4. Now 16 plus 27, the answer is 40. No, here we have multiplication, so we should start with the multiplication first. So we write 16 plus 27 minus 20. Now we have addition and subtraction, so we should start from left. So we have 43 minus 20. Here the answer is 23. Also here we have parentheses and exponents, so we should start with the exponent. Inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have also exponent. So here we should write 13 minus, the answer of 3 squared is 9, all of it squared. First we should get the answer of the parentheses. 13 minus 9 is 4, all of it squared, so the answer is 4 squared is 4 times 4, and the answer is 16. Here we have multiplication and exponent. Exponent is the strongest, so 5 times 4 squared is 16. Now we have multiplication and the answer is 80. Now in this one we have parentheses, exponent, addition, subtraction. Parentheses is the strongest. 15 minus 9, the answer is 6 plus, and we write 2 cube plus 10 to the power 0. All the other operations are copied as they are without any change, because here we are applying the order of operations. Now we have exponents. We should calculate them because they are of the same power. We calculate them in one step. No need to do each one in a separate step. Now 3 squared is 9. Now we have addition and subtraction. We start from left. So 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 1 minus 7. Minus 7. My pen is not helping me. Plus 9. Also we start from left. 14 plus 1 is 15 minus 7 plus 9. Now 15 minus 7 is 8 plus 9, and the answer is 17. Hope you solve the others correctly. This worksheet is uploaded on the Google Drive if you want to solve it alone. See you soon.